Welcome all of you. Look how she floats better on the water. She has more balance already. Very good, she's improving. The main purpose of today's session is breathing on the side while kicking. So, in order for you to do that, you must follow these steps. Each one builds the foundation for an efficient stroke. Now, look at this. We don't want this body position. That's why repetition is necessary to improve it. Don't move to the next drill until you succeed. If you are a beginner, your aim is just to improving. Look at her, she's doing much better. Very good. Notice the systematic progression of my drills. The purpose is to maintain a streamlined body position while taking breaths. Proper glide reduces drag, saves energy, and allows smoother transition between strokes. Side breathing teaches timing and balance, so the body stays aligned in the water. Practicing this consistently builds muscle memory, making front roll movements more natural, controlled, and efficient. Without proper glide and breathing, the stroke becomes chaotic and energy is wasted. This is why repetition and focus on this step are crucial for the progress. Now it's time for a 25-meter one-arm drill. This is a small test. She's really putting in the effort. It's not perfect yet, but completing it at this stage is excellent progress. Focus remains on keeping a streamlined body, controlled breathing, and a steady kick. Now I push her limits a bit. The next challenge is to do front crawl full stroke. She's been practicing hard and it's not easy. Her technique isn't perfect yet, but she's making great progress. Will she be able to complete it? Let's watch together.
A few moments later. A few moments later.